everyone, so today I am unboxing my Nespresso Vertuo Plus machine. I picked it up from Argos this morning. I bought it because I'm not really a coffee drinker. I do like the odd cup of coffee, and in the summer I really like iced coffee in the morning. It just wakes me up. But in the winter and autumn, once the sun starts to go down in the UK, sometimes by 5 o'clock, it's down 4:30. I suffer from something called seasonal affective disorder, which is thought to be caused by lack of sunlight. And waking up in the morning, I feel dead, so I have no energy to be faffing about trying to make up a coffee or a cup of tea in the morning. So I could put my pod in the night before, not close the lid, but put my pod in ready to go, put my cup on, put my sweeteners in. All I have to do in the morning, close the lid, turn on the switch, Bob's your uncle. So I've ordered that today and I'm going to unbox it, but I thought I'd explain to you why I've got it. I picked my one up from Argos. They've got a special offer on at the moment. It's £80, not £180. So that's really good, and I've got over 3 months on my Argos card. That's even better. You do get some pods in there as well. And they've got an offer on at the moment where you can get 50 free coffee pods and a free Erisina 3 milk frother. If you buy it by the end of May. So I'll leave all the details in the description. Let's get on with the video. Today I'm unboxing my Nespresso Vertuo Plus. Picked my one up from Argos, and I did get the 3 years accidental cover because I'm accident prone as hell. There we go. So we've got all our booklets. I think these are the pods they send it out with. I've got a recycling bag, a Start Your Journey booklet, and then we're on to the machine itself here. I'm just going to pop out somehow. That's it, I've got it. Here's the machine. Three-pin plug for the UK. Slightly concerned that it doesn't have a guard on it, so I'm worried that someone's had this before me. It's okay inside. Here's the water tank. That's basically it. I'll show you it when it's all set up where I want it to be, which is just here. And I'll show you my pods. So these are the pods you get, and I'll show you all of them in turn. This is espresso. This is a decaf. These are double espressos. I'm not quite sure what this one is. It says it's a Choreo. This one is the one they recommend for me. The Bianco Ligero. Then we've got a Furtado. Costa Rica, and they're all double espressos. And these are coffee cups and mugs. This is an Intenso. This is a Stormio, a Melozio, a Colombian. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell.